Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Tapmob account and start making money. So first, download the Tapmob app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once you open it, tap on sign up at the bottom of the screen. So now, fill in your first name and last name. In this case, we're using Irene, and then create a username. So let's go with something catchy like Irene.mobs. So after that, enter your email, phone number, and an invite code. So just a reminder, the Tapmob is invite only. So just type the invite code that you have. And after that, create a secure password and tap next. And now, it's time to link a social media account. So choose the one where you have the most followers. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or etc. Enter your username and then the number of the followers. So when asked about your content theme, choose business as your theme. This usually gives you the best shot at getting accepted. So next, enter your username and fill out the application. So after you fill out this application, check the to agreement box and choose a messaging app and tap submit, and you'll get a message saying thank you for signing up. We're reviewing your application. And that's it. Approval usually take 1 to 2 days, and once you're in, you can start earning right away.